The XRP Ledger's EVM-compatible sidechain has officially launched, marking a huge leap for the network. For years, developers loved XRPL's speed and low fees but were limited by its unique programming environment. Now, with EVM compatibility, Ethereum-based apps can run on a chain connected to XRPL, unlocking DeFi, NFTs, and more. Developers can use familiar tools and languages, making XRPL more accessible and attractive. This isn't about replacing Ethereum, it's about interoperability and expanding XRPL's ecosystem. Users benefit from more choices and new ways to use XRP, from lending to trading digital collectibles. The EVM sidechain signals XRPL's evolution beyond payments, inviting the broader Web3 community to build and collaborate. Its adoption will be a key storyline, shaping XRPL's relevance and growth in the coming months. As of July 2025, XRP trades around 78 cents, reflecting cautious optimism and ongoing consolidation. Trading volume has surged with the EVM sidechain launch, signaling renewed interest and genuine network usage. On-chain activity is rising, showing that XRP is being used for more than speculation. The market is in a long-term accumulation phase, with patient holders waiting for major catalysts. Key factors ahead include the SEC case resolution, sidechain adoption, and overall crypto market health. Technical indicators show equilibrium, with low volatility hinting at a potential breakout. Investors are positioned, news is active, and the market is waiting for a decisive move. This stability could be the calm before a major shift for XRP. Whale wallets have been quietly accumulating XRP, signaling long-term confidence in the asset. This trend aligns with the EVM sidechain launch and the nearing end of the SEC lawsuit. Whales are absorbing supply, reducing available XRP on exchanges, and setting the stage for potential price surges. Ripple's monthly escrow release, 1 billion XRP, is often misunderstood. Most of the released XRP is relocked in new escrows, with only a fraction sold to partners. This predictable process minimizes selling pressure and adds transparency to Ripple's operations. The market has largely priced in these releases, focusing instead on long-term fundamentals. Whale accumulation and escrow transparency both point to a maturing XRP ecosystem. The Ripple vs. SEC lawsuit is nearing its end, with most major rulings already made. Judge Torres's 2023 decision clarified that XRP itself isn't a security, a huge win for Ripple and crypto. The final phase focuses on penalties for Ripple's past institutional sales. A resolution is expected soon, and its outcome will determine Ripple's future operations and any fines. Once resolved, U.S. exchanges could relist XRP, and financial institutions may finally embrace Ripple's solutions. The lawsuit's end is about more than penalties. It's about unlocking XRP's full potential in the U.S. market. A favorable outcome could set a precedent for other digital assets and drive new adoption. The market awaits this catalyst, which could redefine XRP's role in finance. The XRP army remains resilient, energized by legal victories and the EVM sidechain launch. Online, the community buzzes with DeFi possibilities and speculation about U.S. exchange relistings. Analysts see a strong base for a future rally, with price targets ranging from a return to all-time highs to more conservative gains. The lawsuit's final outcome and sidechain adoption are key variables for XRP's future. Competition from other networks is real, but experts agree XRP is undervalued due to legal overhang. Growth is expected from three pillars: legal clarity, expanded utility, and Ripple's payment solutions. With strong fundamentals and catalysts, optimism for XRP's future is high. XRP's position in 2025 must be seen in the context of a maturing crypto market focused on real utility. Its efficient cross-border payments give it a clear edge with financial institutions. The EVM sidechain aligns XRPL with the trend toward interoperability and multi-chain collaboration. This move puts XRPL alongside major players like Avalanche and Polygon, embracing integration over isolation. Globally, Ripple has thrived in crypto-friendly regions, growing its on-demand liquidity service despite U.S. legal hurdles. Regulatory clarity is improving worldwide, positioning XRP for future growth. Investors now seek projects with real use cases and sustainable growth. Criteria XRP increasingly meets. As the market recovers, assets like XRP with strong fundamentals are poised for renewed interest. The second half of 2025 is pivotal for XRP, with major opportunities and risks ahead. The lawsuit's resolution could trigger U.S. exchange relistings and new institutional partnerships. The EVM sidechain's success depends on developer adoption and attracting DeFi and NFT projects. If successful, XRPL could transform into a leading smart contract platform. Macro risks, like high interest rates or economic downturns, could still impact XRP's upside. Competition is fierce, and the sidechain must offer real advantages to stand out. Despite risks, XRP's proven tech, clear use case, and passionate community set the stage for growth. The coming months will define XRP's place in the digital economy. Investors should stay informed and cautious.